Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Hindi for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through a busy street in India. Colors everywhere. Voices, music, movement. The sound of Hindi fills the air. Warm, expressive, alive. Someone smiles at you and says something, and for a moment, you pause. Not because it's impossible, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Hindi phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more respectful, more connected? Because language is not about perfection. It's about connection. And today, you take your first step. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with Namaste. Namaste. Hello. Na-mas-te. Simple, respectful. You can use it almost anywhere. Morning, afternoon, evening. It always works. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. Say Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. Thank you. Dhan-ya-vad. And a more casual version, Shukriya. Shukriya. Thanks. Shuk-ri-ya. And to respond, Koi baat nahi. You're welcome. No problem. Koi baat nahi. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is ha, ha. And no is nahi, nahi. Ha, nahi. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with Maaf kijiye. Excuse me / sorry. Maaf ki-ji-ye. Use it to get attention or apologize. And for requests. Kripiya. Please. Kri-pa-ya. Very polite. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, Mera naam hai. My name is. Mera naam hai. Or simply, Main hoon. I am. Main hoon. And to say nice to meet you, Aapse milkar khushi hui. Nice to meet you. Aapse milkar khushi hui. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. Kya aap अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Kya aap अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? If you're confused, Yeh kya hai? What is this? Yeh kya hai? And if you didn't understand, Fir se kahiye. Please say that again. Fir se kahiye. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You see something you like. Say, Yeh dijiye. This please. Yeh dijiye. Or, Mujhe ye chahiye. I want this. Mujhe ye chahiye. And when you're done, Bill dijiye. The bill, please. Bill dijiye. Section 8. Saying goodbye. Now, saying goodbye. Alvida. Goodbye. Al-ve-da. Or fir milenge. See you again. Fir milenge. And just like that, you now have real Hindi phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about being perfect. It's about showing up, trying, connecting. So, next time, when someone speaks to you in Hindi, don't hesitate. Smile and say, Namaste. And your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.